Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD stretches 3-day losses to sub 0.6550 area ahead of Chinese trade figures. http ntvforex.com News ID 6872AB 009 GMT by Anil Panchal. NZD USD breaks early day choppy range between 0.6538 and 0.6545. Traders shrug off second-tier New Zealand data amid risk reset. A mild relief from the virus numbers joins mixed headlines concerning the Sino-American tussle. June monthly trade data from China, U.S. inflation numbers will join risk catalysts to offer immediate direction. NZD USD drops to 0.6530 amid the initial Asian trading session on Tuesday. In doing so, the Kiwi pair pauses its 3-day losing streak near an important support line. Other than the technical support, wait for China's trade balance and mixed trading sentiment also troubles the pair traders. The recent data from New Zealand suggest a sustained weakness in the visitor arrival in May, contrasting with private job figures for June. Visitor arrivals slip below 29.1% forecast to 99.00%, whereas a survey by the Bank of New Zealand BNZ, cited by the Bloomberg, signal job ads in June are 46.9% from May. On the other hand, the market's risk tone dwindles to find a clear direction after the late U.S. session pessimism that dragged risk barometers down. Monday's coronavirus COVID-19 numbers from the U.S. mark a pause in the latest run-up led by the epicenter Texas. Further, the CNBC increased hopes of the early arrival of the pandemic's cure, while the Bloomberg strengthened optimism while citing Trump administration officials turning down the plan to undermine Hong Kong dollar. However, Reuters came out with the news indicating further hardships for Chinese firms' listings on the U.S. bourses. Late on Monday, markets heard U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo defying Beijing's claims over the South China Sea. Though, U.S. President Donald Trump tries to placate the pessimists while saying that Phase 1 deal with China is still on and the nation is buying. While China's June month trade numbers will offer immediate guidance to the pair, the U.S. inflation data will dominate the quote's moves during the American session. Though, nothing from them is likely to supersede the importance of virus and U.S.-China tension headlines. Forecasts suggest further weakness in China's headline trade balance from $62.93 billion previous figures to $58.60 despite likely improvements in exports and imports data. On the other hand, the U.S. inflation numbers are expected to portray additional recovery in price pressures and can raise barriers for the pair's upside moves. Technical analysis. Considering the pair's multiple failures to cross 0.6600, sellers are waiting for entry below an ascending trend line from May 15, at 0.6530 now. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price point 0.6535. Today daily change 4 pips. Today daily change percent 0.06%. Today daily open point 0.6539. Trends. Daily SMA 20.0.6486. Daily SMA 50.0.633. Daily SMA 100.0.6191. Daily SMA 200.0.6338. Levels. Previous daily high point 0.6594. Previous daily low point 0.6536. Previous weekly high point 0.6601. Previous weekly low point 0.6519. Previous monthly high point 0.6585. Previous monthly low point 0.6186. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.6558. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.6572. Daily pivot point S 1.0.6519. Daily pivot point S 2.0.6499. Daily pivot point S 3.0.6462. Daily pivot point R 1.0.6577. Daily pivot point R 2.0.6614. Daily pivot point R 3.0.6634. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.